The end of Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers' emergency order could impact families' ability to buy food. The state could lose $50 million each month in federal food money.
News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstad caught up with Wisconsin's Lieutenant Governor to find out what can be done.
It could potentially impact far too many families across the state.
Wisconsin Lieutenant Governor Mandela Barnes stopped at the La Crosse City Bus headquarters. His visit comes after Wisconsin's emergency order ended by the decision of the state Supreme Court on Wednesday. Barnes' concerns reflect more than the state's effort to stop the spread of COVID-19. The state risks losing $50 million each month in federal food money communities use to help families who struggle paying for groceries.
This presents just another unnecessary problem in their lives.
Barnes says it's bad enough for adults dealing with food insecurity. There's another population affected as well.
When children aren't able to have a solid meal before they start to learn, it impacts their education.
Earlier this year, Republicans passed a bill to secure funding for SNAP benefits, but in doing so, they added several other measures the governor opposed.
We'll have to come in now and refix it again, and hopefully this time he won't veto it because these dollars are at stake.
Barnes says lawmakers may try to come up with a new emergency order to prevent the loss of this money.
Because at the end of the day, it's about making sure that we are taking care of people across the state of Wisconsin.
He says stress over paying for a meal shouldn't be on the shoulders of Wisconsin residents.
To think about hunger as an issue in the most wealthy country in this entire world, I mean, that's something we have to wrestle with.
In La Crosse, Jordan Fremstad, News 8 Now.
And according to another study by Feeding America, the food insecurity rate in Wisconsin rose by about 28% in Wisconsin just last year.
Republican Wisconsin Assembly Representative Nancy Vandermeer from Tomah told News 8 Now in part, quote, "I would want to convey that it's unfortunate that Governor Evers chose to veto Assembly Bill 1. That bill would have allowed the governor to declare a public health emergency to receive federal funds like the USDA food aid. Assembly Republicans plan to discuss options in the coming weeks," end quote.